Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to blur a part of a video in CapCut. So to do that, let's head over to the CapCut. Once you're there, as you can see, I have already opened up a project. So to blur it, you have to go to the edit option, and in the edit option, you'll find the blur effects or the effects, and in here go to video effects, and from here you will find the blur option, and in the lens you will find the blur option. So as you can see, this is the blur option. So if you want to add it, you can just do it in here, and yeah, that's it. This is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.